Automating price tracking and order fulfillment has become a cornerstone of successful online arbitrage in 2026. The days of manually adjusting prices or managing shipping logistics are long gone. Smart sellers now rely on AI and automation to stay competitive, optimize profits, and scale effortlessly. Let's start with price tracking. In online arbitrage, market prices fluctuate constantly due to competition, supply changes, and seasonality. Keeping up manually is impossible, but automation tools make it seamless. Repricing software like Aura, BeCool, or SellerSnap automatically monitors competitor prices and adjusts your listings based on your rules. You can set parameters like stay 1 cent below the lowest FBA seller or maintain a 20% ROI minimum. The software then works 24/7, updating your prices in real time to ensure you remain competitive without sacrificing margins. For advanced sellers, AI-driven repricers take it even further. They use predictive analytics to forecast when competitors will run out of stock and raise your prices automatically when demand spikes. This helps you capture more profit while minimizing race-to-the-bottom pricing. Next comes order fulfillment automation. Once an order is placed, automation ensures it's processed, packed, and shipped without manual input. If you use Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA), Amazon handles this for you automatically. But if you sell across multiple marketplaces, like eBay, Walmart, or TikTok Shop, third-party logistics services and automation tools become essential. Multi-channel fulfillment software like ShipStation, Sellbrite, or Deliver integrates all your marketplaces in one dashboard. When a customer orders a product, the system automatically sends the order to the nearest warehouse or prep center, generates a shipping label, and updates tracking information across all platforms. This reduces human error and ensures fast, consistent delivery. Automation also improves inventory accuracy. Tools like SoStocked and Restock Pro forecast inventory needs, alert you when stock runs low, and even send reorder requests to suppliers automatically. Combined with AI forecasting, you can maintain just the right amount of stock, avoiding both shortages and overstocking. Integrating your pricing and fulfillment automation creates a fully synchronized system. For example, when your repricer detects higher demand, it can trigger restocking workflows to ensure you don't sell out. Likewise, if a product's price drops below your profit threshold, your fulfillment software can temporarily pause orders to prevent losses. The final piece is analytics. Automation tools collect massive amounts of data about sales velocity, pricing trends, and fulfillment performance. Dashboards and tools like SellerAmp or Helium 10 let you monitor KPIs like average profit per item, turnover rate, and buy box percentage, all in real time. By automating price tracking and order fulfillment, you eliminate repetitive work, reduce errors, and scale faster. You can run a multi-platform e-commerce business with the precision of a large retail operation, without the overhead. In 2026, automation isn't optional, it's your competitive advantage. With the right systems in place, your business runs efficiently while you focus on strategy, expansion, and innovation.